The manufacturing industry faces unique challenges in finding skilled workers.
It is hard to know if you are making the right choice.
Welcome to the Industrial Worker Training Simulation Program. We recommend reading the controller layout carefully and practicing using the controller buttons at the training. Press the Start Training button now to proceed. Before heading into the main work area, it is critical to equip yourself with the correct personal protective equipment, or PPE. Your safety is our top priority. To protect your eyes from potential hazards. Hard hat, for head protection against falling objects or impacts. Safety vest, to ensure high visibility.
Well done.
In the work. Welcome to the pipe inspection bay. As a general helper, your role is crucial for maintaining a safe and efficient workspace. First and foremost, your primary responsibility here is housekeeping. A tidy bay is a safe bay. Well done. Let's proceed to the next area. It's time to start the conveyor system. This will allow our team to begin the pipe inspection process. To activate the conveyor, locate the main control panel and press the green button firmly. Attention, the pipe has moved out of alignment. Pick up the crowbar located nearby. Use it to carefully nudge the pipe back onto the roller. Once the pipe is correctly positioned, press the green button to resume movement. Excellent. Let's take a look at our next task. Well done. Let's proceed to the next. You will now perform pipe marking. There's a roller and a stencil sheet placed on the table. Use them to mark the pipe. Great work! You can now exit the application and safely remove the headset to report back to your supervisor.